also known as Magnolia Grown. Got invited today by Marco. Going out here and join the team Guider Hook with Up and Above Adventures, man. What a beautiful day to be out here on the water. The water is nice and calm. And we're getting ready to tear this up. We're getting ready to hopefully come on and take first place in this tournament down here in Galveston, Texas. But anyways, welcome aboard. Check it out.
Film, Tony?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, okay, good, okay.
Just one on.
There's a baby. Alright, break the ice, right? We're trying to just break the ice. How the fight feel?
Pretty good.
Yeah? Wake your arm up. Nice little wake up workout. Yeah. There we go. Let's go. Come on, Wahoo. With a trash can. Hold it down, that's what I want to see. A big one. There it is. Kingfish. I'm calling it kingfish. I'm saying it's a kingfish. Let's see. That was the Wahoo. Wahoo! Watch out, watch out. Don't move. There we go, Manny! Woo! Wahoo! How did that feel?
Amazing. Hell yeah, it's a small one, but I don't give a shit.
Yeah, right!
Go!
Sideways. Oh,
There you go.
sideways.
There you go. Oh!
Now reel all the way down. There we go. We done. You want it? Hard reeling? Not yet. Keep reeling. Keep reeling nice and steady.
Are you recording? Got it.
Somebody go to that side of the boat?
Last a little bit.
Oh, you're good, you're good. Turn it.
Last a little bit.
Turn the chair.
No, the other way, the other way.
We're gonna get Nick.
It's right here, it's right here. I see color again. There she is. Tired too.
Got it?
How did that feel?
That's what I'm talking about, son! That's what I'm talking about!
Fine.
Dang, baby boy. That's a horse, too.
Run.
Ran to the school. Keep rolling. School of something. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 4 on. Right up front. Right up front. Nope, he's off.
Mine's off.
Keep rolling.
What's up, everybody? It's Marco Gonzalez coming at you on day number 2 with this 48-hour Wahoo and Tuna trip. So yesterday, the barracudas, were biting everywhere. Probably, had about 15 to 20 barracudas. We had only one Wahoo and one pretty big yellowfin tuna and some other, species, but the barracudas got us yesterday. But today's another day, so we're already out here. We already got one Wahoo on board. It's the morning. We just had breakfast, and we are waking up in God's country. It is beautiful out here, beautiful. So, we're gonna get on at them and see if we can fill this boat up with what we're targeting, this Wahoo and some tuna, baby. Yeah.
You're right, buddy. Go
And
on.
when we go down, we reel. 1, 2, 3. Reel, 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 reel. Alright. You got it? Now reel, 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 reel. Alright. But you gotta do it nice and smooth, not jerky. Nice and smooth. All smooth. Alright, there you go, just like that. We're close. Within minutes back, it's gonna pop off.
stopped the boat for you a couple times.
Thanks, Captain.
Good thing for stopping the boat.
Thanks for stopping the boat,
You're welcome.
Captain.
Thank you. Thank you, Juan.
Video.
Yeah, video.
66.5 pounds. It was a fight for real. He put up a fight for his life.
Over 20
took,
minutes.
It took everything in me to get this sucker in. Everything in me. I had my doubts. So I almost started by giving it up. I wanted to get this on the deck. I was trying to be a hero that turned into a zero. But we ended up getting it on, but this sucker took everything out of me. But 66.6, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
60. Mario. Good morning, everybody. I'm Super Mario here. I'm here with my brother,
Smoke Bandit.
Manny, Smoke Bandit. We just came back from a couple-day trip. It was nice weather, beautiful weather. We caught a couple of wahoo, some grouper, beeliner, some tuna, big tuna, and a lot of barracuda.
Excellent trip on the got our hooked vessel. It's a clean vessel, you know, top of the line. We had a blast.
So,
a blast being out there a couple of days. So
think about
I recommend everybody at least going on there at least once or twice.
You have fun. You'll catch some fish for sure.
All right, so we just came up from about a 60-hour fishing trip, and that was really fun for me. Not just because it was my first offshore trip, but it was also first time catching a wahoo, first time catching a red snapper, and first time catching a blackjack. So honestly, I'd recommend this boat for anyone, anyone, including kids or veterans, or even just people in general. All right, so make sure you go check out upaboveadventures.com. We'll call that number.